All right, so we're right behind this. Oh, good job swerving. Oh, whoa. You dropped something. CB1000R, close call on the tail of the dragon. Where's the head of the dragon? Where's the body? All right, here we go. Gonna make a nice left turn. Whoa, uncommon thing, great job. Was able to navigate that situation, planned his ride very well, did an amazing job. Here we go, Jerry Pacheco. All right, so we're right behind this. Oh, good job swerving. Oh, whoa. Woo. Hey, you dropped something. Good job with, oh, there's more. Good job with the swerving. That was a red stage maneuver.
No, I'm all right.
Okay.
I was just stopping for you.
Okay.
No, you're good?
Can you help me push it in?
Yeah.
That's what she said. Anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and help. Oh, a grill. The grill fell down.
A little bit closer.
You moved quick,
Huh?
You moved quick.
Yeah.
I heard that bang. I said, I thought you crashed.
Nah.
That was a massive road hazard going on. So here's the thing. I don't like following trailers. I really don't. I will scoot back far enough so that when I see the stuff fall off, I have plenty of space to navigate that threat. And that's really what it is, planning your ride. You got to navigate around threats with evasive maneuvers. And that's going to be the red stage. We're going to go into red stage. Watch this person go into red stage. Here we go. There's the moment. Oh, crap. We just perceived. Okay, we talk about total stopping distance all the time, perception, reaction, and then braking. But here's the thing. Perception, reaction is involved with everything you do. Just the fact that we're adding braking to it equals total stopping distance. But we have perception, reaction, and swerving distance, or I don't know, anything else, distance, location distance. We have to be able to see it. We have to be able to react. And we have to be able to do something. So what are we reacting to? We're going to go ahead and do a nice little swerve and judo maneuvers and dodge these things. So here we go. We got to dodge that. We're doing a quick head check. So we got to make sure that there's nobody in our right side so we don't sideswipe anybody. And we got debris just flying everywhere. And he's got to dodge all of that stuff. We got debris right here. We're just going to find that escape path. That escape path is way over there on the right on that shoulder. Got to find that escape path. All right, we're going through here, looking left, looking straight. Okay, good. We got anybody coming up behind us? Hopefully not. Go ahead and pick up a little bit of speed. We got...
This situation shows how a moment of a lack of attention can have dangerous consequences.
All right, look forward.
Just behind only briefly looked back and ran over the curb.
Oh, no. Ran over the curb. What are we going to do here? Are we going to do a U-turn?
Yeah, he is.
They're talking on their cardos. It's definitely not a Cena, trust me. Talking to the cardos. What are we going to do? Are we going to rescue another rider? Let's see what we're going to do.
Where is he?
Oh, under the bridge. Under the bridge. So what do you think happened? Sharp right turn, accelerated, hit the wall?
Yeah, I might have broken my shoulder, but I think it's just hurt.
No.
Okay.
No.
You think I can ride this home?
What happened?
I looked left over my shoulder and I ran into the curb. I think I broke something.
Oh, dude.
Oh no. The coolant fluid.
Yeah.
This is a triangular bandage. You can make a sling out of it. He's guarding it right now, holding it because the weight is pulling on his shoulder. He probably broke his collarbone. He feels it in the shoulder, so putting it up in a position of comfort is very needed. We have them in every rescue kit. We got 2 of them. We got 2 of them. Let's go ahead and pause that. We got 2 of them in every rescue kit. We also have Prep Medic. If you guys know who Prep Medic is, an amazing content creator. Talks about medical stuff all the time. He's a flight medic and everything. He actually was a guest MTC coach, instructor, whatever you want to call it. And he's talking about how to use everything inside the rescue kit, including how to create a sling out of that triangular bandage. Hey, look at, we got Prep Medic helping out, becoming a guest instructor. There we go. And just keep that in place, like so. Right here. This is why you want to do it.
Hey man, you okay?
Yeah, I might have broken my shoulder, but I think it's just hurt.
That's where you can add that sling and swath. Okay, everybody? Not a good situation. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment, so make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from RevZilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, it helps me out, no extra cost to you. Plus it lets RevZilla know that the DDiff crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link, I'll see you soon. So one of our friends in our group had a bad day on Dracula's driveway in Transylvania County, North Carolina. None of that made sense to me. Here we go. So we're riding around having a great time. We got some, shaded areas here and there. It's probably nice out. We got a nice road. Watch out for the blind turns. And there is a reason. Okay, slow it down. Good job. Around the corner. Hey, rescue another rider. We are going to start doing that. Get your rescue kit out, which we have them on the store right now. But you see how somebody was waving people down? That's part of it. Right there. That's part of it. Ooh. Okay, so what are we going to do? So, what kind of mechanism? So her leg must have been hurt. That's why it's elevated. She probably thought that was,
Up, or how you feeling?
she probably feels that is the best position for comfort. The knee hurts.
I'm grateful there was armor there, otherwise I think my knee would be down.
Armor.
He is
Wearing full gear.
downhill. Hold on.
There you go. So he checked on her first. Everybody checked on her first and then picked up the bike. I really like the fact that she was taken care of first and then they took care of the bike. Looks like she does have full gear. But what I want to point out real quick, and this is probably the best thing I've seen all day when it comes to rescuing a rider, is that we're coming around a corner, high speed, right? We're having a great time. And then here's this person saying, slow down. Okay, so here's the big problem. I like this. I really like this. And it did its job. But it can put some motorcyclists in a bad spot because they see that right around the corner and slam the brakes. So what I would do is I would position myself, if I was going to be the person flagging people down, I would position myself right here or right here. More than likely right here, though. Okay? Because you want them to be able to slow down in a straight line. So I'll say I'm right here because once they see us a little bit further back, they have this straight line basically to slow down. Okay, I don't want them trying to slow down around a blind corner. So go ahead and move back even further. It's supposed to be 100 feet, in either direction. But if 100 feet is around a blind corner and it's not good for you, go ahead and go even further. So if you're a motorcyclist and your buddy crashed and you have a buddy that is rescuing that buddy, but then you're over here directing traffic, this is where having that cardo, because if you're around the corner, you can tell them, hey, we got a car coming. Hey, we got a car coming. Hey, we got a car coming. Whatever it is, so that they can be aware of it at least 200 feet away. So that's actually really cool to see this, because that is what's needed. If you're not safe on the scene and you get hit, who's rescuing you? You got to take care of yourself. That is why you need to ensure your own safety. Okay, you need to look for hazards. And then right here, thankfully, he was able to not panic brake. But you see how you should have done it a little bit earlier? Good job pulling off, and we're going to help out. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Because being a smart rider is rescuing injured motorcyclists with medical training. And that right there is exactly it. Anyways, this is why you should not overtake cars too fast. Okay. Sharp corner coming up. They cut you off. Good job finding an escape and slowing down. You did good, being a little bit of a smart rider. Not really, but here we go, one wheel. We got to get through this. We got lunch coming up. So we got 60 miles an hour. We got the deer. Good thing. We're going to keep moving. I'm not even going to acknowledge that. He will. He's going to check his pants a little bit. All right, so 3 per rider.
Positive situation in which the biker rushes to driver's aid without thinking.
Okay. So are we doing this? Are we doing this? Oh, it's not a crash. It's just, pushing uphill is terrible. Side stand? Okay, good. I've done this 3 times while I was on the motorcycle because it's really easy to do that U-turn and pause, or not pause, and stop, and then help out because that's tough pushing a vehicle uphill, let alone a Suburban.
All right, put it.
With a whole family inside because they're not helping.
Thank you guys, appreciate it.
You're welcome. Moving on. Good job. I like this. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.